students, we are going to start our the first reading. I have filled up to 0. I have taken 10 ml plus 25 ml of ferrous sulfate from the 0 to 1, 1 to 2. We have to add, not the continuous flow. We have to see. I am adding 0 to 1. Okay. After checking, there is no change. 1 to 2, no change. Slowly you have to do, because this is redox reactions. 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Till now the color has not changed, because I have given 0.1 normal and you are taking 10 ml. Okay. 7 to 8, 8 to 9. I am adding 9 to 10. So you can see at 10 you have to take in whole number. The first reading palette should be in whole numbers. So you are getting color. So stop, because the end point has come. So while starting from our titration 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 2 to 3, 3 to 4, up to 10, up to 9, you are not getting the color. But after 9, at the point 10, you got the color. So your end point is completed and you have finished your titration. So students, please write down with the help of pencil: initial 0, final 10, difference is 10. This is palette reading. Palette reading means your rough reading. You are knowing that your reading, it should not be exceeded after 10 and will not come before 9. So this is the reading which moves within 9 and 10. Have you followed? So note down. Okay. Throw this solution, because the reaction is completed. Again the new procedure we have to start. I am throwing in the sink. Again you have to wash. Again you have to wash nicely. Here I can't go to the sink, so I am using this beaker as a sink. Okay, washed properly. Again you have to take with the help of, now your own mouth is there, so no need of again washing and washing pipette, because you are having the same mouth. So you have to see up to the mark. Leave it if it is exceed. Up to mark, the level is 10 ml. Again see whether droplets of water is there or not. Again take 10 ml. Don't blow with the help of mouth. Only touch the tip. Then 2.5 test tube of H2SO4 for the first reading. 1, 10 ml. This is also 10 ml. And half 25 ml. Now you are aware, with the help of your palette reading, up to 9 you are not getting, and after 10 it will not come. But I will fill again up to 0 ml KMnO4. If the KMnO4 is completed, you can ask from the teacher. Again you can demand for the solution. Again level up to 0. I level it up. So again I am starting the first reading. Initial 0, here in burette, here 10 ml plus 25 ml. Don't pour sudden, don't pour at a time all the mls. No, each 1 ml interval you stop and shake, like the palette reading you did. Again, carefully student note that 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, getting, now you are aware that up to 9 the color will not come. 4 to 5, then also stop and shake. 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. Now after 9 you have to stop. Don't see to the burette, see to the flask. And after 9, now not in full mls, you have to add in 0.1. So from 9, you have to take 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4. We are seeing. Don't see at the burette, you see at the flask where you will get a sudden change. I am adding from 9.1 and shaking 9.2, drop by drop, not in mls, only one drop. Then one drop, add one drop and shake well. So here I got the color at 9.5 I am getting. So very faint pink color, sudden jerk. So this is the end point, this is called 9.5. If you want to confirm, you can add one more drop. I am adding one more drop, but our reading should be 9.5. After adding, the color becomes somewhat dark. You can see it becomes darker and darker. So at 9.5 the sudden changes come. So you note down the reading, initial 0, your final is 9.5. So the difference is 9.5. So your first reading after Paulette is 9.5. Your first reading was 10. Your first reading, that is Paulette, it should not count it as a first reading. Now your first reading is 9.5 differences. Okay. Like that you have to take more 2 readings to get the law of, if your K-4 is going to finish, you ask teacher, otherwise go and fill your beaker with the help. K-4, again you have to follow the accuracy and precision rule. Now what is accuracy and precision rule? I taught you in 11th that accuracy and precision is the physics law. You are taking the 3 readings average, you have to total. If your first reading is 9.1 and your second reading is 9.9, that is having a lot of difference. All the readings should be accurate to the given reading. Means the expert is doing, if I am expert and I found my expert is Kamala. She did titration and she told me today's reading is 9.5. So your reading should be close to the expert's reading, and all the 3 readings should be close to each other. Means if you are getting first reading 9.5, the second reading somewhat error, like that negative and positive errors, 0.1 ka error, ya 0.2 ka errors it can be. So it can be 9.3, 9.4, 9.5 or 9.6. If you are getting more error, then you will not get the accurate reading. If you are losing the accurate reading to the expert reading, if expert's reading is 9.5 and you are getting 9.6 plus or minus error, you will lose every step 2 negative marks. Means if in the titration observation table 10 marks is there, okay, my reading is 9.5, your reading is 9.6 or 9.7, means 9.5 is expert's reading plus or minus error, you will lose every step 2 marks, means you will get 8 marks. If you are getting 9.3, then you will lose 4 marks. If you will get 9.2, yeah, then you will lose 6 marks. Means out of 10 at the observation table only you will get 4 readings. So all the 3 readings should be close to each other and accurate. Okay, so we are starting our second reading. Again I am filling. Again I am throwing this solution and washing. Again I am taking 10 ml. Lose the tip, so the solution should drop out in the flask. Touch the tip. Take test tube, 10 ml, 10 ml, and half. Again I am starting from the 0. I adjusted up to 0, 0 to 1. After 9 you have to be very careful, but at a time you have to take only 1 ml. Please students, be careful when you will come and attend this practical. 1 ml I am adding. So up to 9 I added. Now I am adding slowly, drop by drop. Adding 1 drop and drop only. So I got the pink color. So I stopped the titration, and again this reading is 9.6. Okay. So your initial is 0, your second reading is 9.6, and your difference is 9.6. So first reading we got 10, that is Paulette. After Paulette first reading was 9.5. After Paulette second reading was 9.6. Like that you have to take the third reading also. Okay.